We've got your back tonight with a life-saving push by state police. They're working to enforce the state's move over or slow down law, which basically means that drivers need to move over to the side of the road when they see emergency vehicles. Well, drivers received more than 440 tickets during a crackdown this week. News 8's Jackie Slater rode along with a trooper today to see why the law is so important. She's live tonight in New Haven. Jackie?
And it can be hard to move over sometimes, especially when traffic it is like you see it is right now, kind of heavy out there. But if you're driving and you see a DOT truck, an emergency responder, a tow truck on the side of the highway, the law says at the very least, you must at least slow down. Now, we were out there with troopers today, and we saw firsthand just how dangerous it can be on the side of the highway. Sitting on the side of Route 8, lights flashing. Driver after driver comes flying by, dangerously close to Trooper Alex Pearston's cruiser.
It's not a matter of if you're going to get hit, it's when you're going to get hit down here.
In 8 years as a trooper, his car has been hit at least a half a dozen times.
Been in the car stationary and also out of the car conducting a traffic stop and had my car hit while I was roadside, issuing an infraction or at an accident scene.
It's a reality all troopers face, and one of the reasons the Connecticut State Police are pushing to raise awareness about the move over law.
But a lot of people are more concerned what we're doing, and they become so focused on our job that they tend to steer towards us or come towards us.
Every stop comes with risk. Trooper Pearston looks for the safest way to exit the car and approaches vehicles on the passenger side.
So you came from the center lane into the right lane, into my car. You should have stayed in the center lane until you cleared my car.
It's a scenario we saw over and over.
Any idea why I might have stopped you? Are you aware that Connecticut has the move over law?
In a 2-hour period, we made 6 stops. State police say 5 troopers have been killed while stopped on the side of the highway, and each death could have been prevented. As this campaign is underway, most drivers say the same thing.
You aware of the move over law in the state of Connecticut?
No.
Not aware that we have a move over law?
We didn't move over from what?
Drivers need to know and put the law into practice. Troopers hope these stops will become fewer and far between. And the minimum fine for not moving over, not slowing down is $181. And troopers say it isn't just about their safety or the safety of those workers and responders out there. It's also about the other drivers, the person that they have pulled over or that they're assisting on the side of the road. So the risks just aren't worth it. Live in New Haven, Jackie Slater, News 8.